I've had tremendous results with Dr. Joddy, and I would like to share and let other patients out there in the valley that are experiencing chronic pain to know that there is hope, and they can get that through Dr. Joddy. Dr. Joddy was very highly recommended to me, and so I was having chronic back pain and migraines, which I know a lot of people experience. I've worked for a few years in pain management, so I know that there is a lot of patients suffering here with chronic pain issues. And having chronic pain myself, I know that it can be very debilitating, and I decided to give Dr. Joddy a try. Really taken back by his compassion and understanding and his knowledge. And so I gave him a try, and after several sessions I started to begin to realize that a lot of my pain was coming from stress and diet, which Dr. Joddy takes the time to explain that and give you the tools so that you can help yourselves. So many people, I think, feel that taking a pill will simply fix things and make their pain go away. And really, you need to take responsibility for our lifestyle. And Dr. Joddy is just perfect, explaining and helping patients understand what it is that, or how we can help to change our lives and take control of our own pain as well. I was suffering from migraines. I had migraines for 2 to 3 days every single month, and nothing seemed to help. I had doctors tell me it was hormones, it was my eyesight, it was it could be related to TMJ and stress, but nobody really knew why, but did want to give me medication to take. And Dr. Joddy helped relieve the pain by working on my jaw, because I do have a lot of TMJ problems, problem from braces when I was a child. And my headaches were also related to hormones, which I didn't know. So Dr. Joddy did a few adjustments and helped balance my hormone level. And so simply by his adjustments, working on my jaw with the laser machine and working on hormones, we helped even that out. And also just diet, instructing me and helping me understand how much chemicals we take into our diet. And once I really started extracting the foods that had a lot of the chemicals and followed Dr. Joddy's instructions, my pain started going away. My headaches went away. And I no longer have the 3 to 4 day headaches that I used to have. I don't have menstrual cramps anymore from the hormonal balance that he helped me get through. So I also had a lot of lower back pain, and after working with him, my back pain has really subsided. But I also, like I've said before, it's really important to follow his instructions and to make the lifestyle change. Change your diet, your eating habits, and exercise, and take control of your own life. After, as I said, being a nurse in the field for 10 years or more and working with traditional doctors, when it was my pain that I was going through, and was referred to so many doctors and ER visits for back pain, and was given medications that didn't help, was given maybe 5 minutes from a doctor that couldn't really explain why I was having the pain, where it was coming from, or why I needed to take this medication, but just take it and we'll try it and we'll see how it goes. And life was too short, too precious, and I didn't want to take medications and see how it goes. I was looking for answers, and it was recommended that I start working with a natural path, natural healers. And I never really thought about it, and I was a little skeptical, and but I knew I needed to do something different, that I wasn't going to become one of the patients or like some of my patients down the road that are on a list of 15 different medications that are being treated for all of the different complications and side effects. I am young and didn't feel that I needed to be on a list of medications. So I gave Dr. Jodie a try, and he's wonderful. And I am so blessed and so grateful that he came into my life and that I gave him a chance. I just really encourage any patient that's out there that is having chronic pain to not be so skeptical, and to know that there is something else out there, that and you need to try it, and you have nothing to lose by trying it. And if you find that he's not for you, or maybe he didn't help you as much, well, you know, at least you tried, and know that you didn't leave any stones unturned. Well, I truly believe in him, and I believe that there was a reason that we connected, and I honestly believe that I met Dr. Jodie so that I can help spread the word and help teach my patients what Dr. Jodie has taught me.